Traveling with a baby can be challenging, but packing light can help make your journey easier and more enjoyable. In this video, we will share some tips and recommendations for packing light with a baby, focusing on travel-friendly gear. When it comes to packing light with a baby, choosing the right stroller is essential. Look for lightweight and compact strollers that are easy to fold and transport. Opt for models that have a one-hand folding mechanism and can fit into overhead compartments on planes or stow away easily in the trunk of a car. A well-organized diaper bag is a must-have when traveling with a baby. Pack only the essentials, such as diapers, wipes, a changing pad, extra clothes, and a few snacks. Opt for a compact diaper bag with multiple compartments to keep everything organized and easily accessible on the go. A travel-friendly baby carrier is a game-changer when it comes to exploring new places with your little one. Look for carriers that are lightweight, easy to fold, and comfortable for both you and your baby. Choose carriers that offer different carrying positions and are suitable for different ages. Having a safe and comfortable place for your baby to sleep is crucial while traveling. Opt for a compact and versatile travel crib that is lightweight and easy to set up. Look for cribs that can be used indoors and outdoors and provide features like easy folding and a carrying bag. To pack light, consider multipurpose baby gear that can serve multiple functions. For example, choose a high chair that can also be used as a booster seat or a travel blanket that can transform into a nursing cover. This way, you can eliminate the need for extra items and save space in your luggage. Packing light with a baby is all about choosing the right travel-friendly gear. By opting for lightweight, compact, and versatile products, you can make your trips more enjoyable and stress-free. Remember to prioritize the essentials and eliminate unnecessary items to minimize the load. Happy travels with your little one.